We'll guide you through how to download and install GTA 5 on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. GTA 5 is an action-adventure game. It's got a multiplayer mode as well as a single-player story mode. You can play with your friends or play by yourself. There's so many different things you can do in the game. So to go and get started, go and open up a web browser like so. What you need to do is go and search for something called Steam. Steam is a game marketplace and launcher, so come to the top here and press Welcome to Steam. On the site, go to the top right and you can press Install Steam and then press Install Steam. Now come to the bottom of your computer and open your File Explorer and you can go and find the Steam setup. Double click it and run it. And what we can then do is go through the install process just like any other app. When it's finished, you can go and run it. Go and sign in. If you don't already have an account, you can press the Create button in the bottom right. After you've logged into your account, you can go to the top left and press Store and go to the top right and press Search, and you want to go and type in GTA, like so. Now you're going to go and see GTA 5 Enhanced. This is the newest version of GTA. We can go and click on it. Scroll down and we can press Add to Cart, and then what we'll need to do is go and purchase it. In your cart, you can press Continue to Payment and you can go and check out. When you're ready, you can go and press Purchase. I've now successfully purchased it. You can go and press Library at the top. We can then go and see we've got GTA 5 Legacy, which is the original one, and then Enhanced. Enhanced is the newest version. So what you can do is go and press Install here, and you can confirm your decision by pressing Install again. We need to go and read and agree this. I'll press accept, and now it's going to start downloading. When this is finished, this pause button is going to be a play button, so you can click there and it will start.